Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Alpha Futures account to TradingView. So first of all, when creating your Alpha Futures account, you need to make sure that Rebate Prop as your trading platform you select. Now, once your account is approved, Alpha Futures is going to provide you your TradingView login credentials inside your dashboard or by email. So you need to simply just use them. Then you need to log in into your TradingView account and then open any of the charts in front of you. Now over here you will find this trade option on the top right hand corner of the screen. So when you click on the option of trade, you are going to see various different types of brokers here. So among these you just have to simply look for TradingView. Now when you are able to find TradingView, simply just click on it, select the option of the live or the demo account, then click on the option of connect. Now when you are here on this particular page, you need to simply provide the username and the password which you have got from your Alpha Futures account, then simply click on the option of login. Now as soon as you do this, you are going to connect your TradingView account, which is basically connected to the Alpha Futures account, and then you will be able to basically use it on TradingView. If this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.